Dark mode is now supported on both iOS and Android DoorDash Dasher apps. This feature reduces eye strain and saves battery life, especially during evening deliveries. For iPhone users, the easiest method is system-wide activation. Go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and select Dark Mode. The Dasher app will automatically switch to dark mode. Alternatively, you can enable dark mode within the Dasher app itself. Tap your profile icon, navigate to Settings or Preferences, and select dark mode under Appearance options. For Android users, enable system-wide dark mode by going to Settings, then Display, and selecting Dark Theme. The Dasher app will automatically follow your system preference. You can also change the theme within the Dasher app on Android. Access the menu, go to Account Settings, find Theme or Appearance options, and choose Dark or Night mode. Both system-wide and app-specific methods work effectively. Choose the approach that best fits your workflow as a Dasher driver. Dark mode in the DoorDash Dasher app provides measurable benefits for drivers. A comprehensive 2024 study revealed significant improvements in battery life, eye comfort, and overall user experience. The most significant benefit is battery life improvement. Drivers using dark mode during evening shifts experienced a 23% increase in battery life, which is crucial for long delivery sessions. Eye strain reduction is another major advantage. The study found a 31% reduction in eye strain complaints from drivers, particularly important during nighttime deliveries when switching between bright screens and dark environments. Screen glare reduction also improves driver safety. Research showed 15% fewer instances of screen glare while driving, leading to better visibility and safer navigation between the app and road conditions. Looking toward the future, DoorDash is developing advanced dark mode features that will make the experience even better for drivers. Artificial intelligence will soon power predictive dark mode activation. The app will learn your delivery patterns and automatically enable dark mode based on your typical working hours and routes. Enhanced navigation integration will provide seamless coordination with GPS apps, ensuring consistent dark mode experience across all your delivery tools. Customizable themes will allow drivers to personalize their dark mode experience, while improved voice command integration will enable hands-free operation during deliveries. To access these current and future dark mode features, ensure your device meets the compatibility requirements. For iPhone users, you need iOS 13.0 or later to access full dark mode functionality. The latest iOS versions provide the best experience with automatic system integration. Android users need Android 10 or higher for optimal dark mode performance. This ensures proper system-level integration and the best user experience. Most importantly, keep your DoorDash Dasher app updated to access the latest dark mode improvements and ensure compatibility with new features as they become available.